Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got another lock for you. Yeah, it's from Bill Bacardi, number 58. I love Bill's locks. Well, I love all you guys' locks. You guys have been making some great challenge locks. There's the bidding. It says Bacardi and it says 58. And a little hang up, but that's expected with what I'm sure is T-pins. So I'm going to load this up and we'll get going. Okay, we're loaded up now. Key works. And oops, already dropping my wrench. Bad sign. Very bad sign. Okay, we're going to give this a little slap and tickle and see what happens here. I'm going to see about pushing up on some of these pins on the way back and see what I might be able to find. Okay, not finding much. Okay, I got a little bit out of 3. Nothing. Oh, 5 just dropped in real good. 4 just dropped in some. 3 moved a little. Yeah, 5 just dropped some more in. 3 just dropped some bunch in. 2's pretty solid. Check 1 here. Fills up there. Ooh, I think that was 3 again. A little click. Ooh, that's some more movement. Wow. That was 4 or 5 just gave me a bid. I think that one was 5. I'm just slipping off of 5. Don't know. Oh, wow. Got a lot of little movements here. Come back up to the front, see if we're okay. We got a little click out of, a couple clicks out of 1, another click out of 3. But not seeing no major improvements. It's like I'm just going through the same ones. Oh, I got something dropped there. Boy, did it. Not really. Just feels like it. It feels like I'm getting a lot, but I don't think I am. I get some on that one, a little bit. There went. We got an open. That's an open. Heck yeah, I'll take that. You betcha. Where's my? Yeah. Ooh, baby, that was a fun lock. A lot of fun. Let me put that right over here. Dump that out. Put that out of the way. Give me a pinning tray. What kind of, okay. Got a little bit back with my yeah, there we go. My other pinning trays are tied up right now with some lock pins and stuff that I'm doing. Okay. Under my thumb. Wow. That looks standard all the way right there, but every pin looks like it had to be picked. That's 1, 2. Oh, nice. 3. Come on. Cooperate. 4. 5 and 6. Whoa, 6 is a long one. Okay, nice. Let's pull our shim. Get our other tweezers. I'm gonna see what we got upstairs here. I'll look at the bottom again in a minute, but I don't. Okay, got a serrated with a oh, I got this thing. Ooh, 2-part. Look at that. Oh, I just lost a piece. It's down there. I'll get it. So this, gosh darn it. Oh, that's 3-part. Give me my others. Wonderful. I set them down and they disappear. Man, this may be too much for me. And then this little piece was below that T-pin thing. Wow. That's amazing. Let me turn this way. I had it the wrong way. You can see what I'm doing. A long way to number 2. And number 2 is a spool. And we turn it over. Pushed it right on through. Didn't get it bound. Would you stop doing that? Spring for 1. This is what's going to take forever. I'm really slow at this part, guys. Spring for 2. And try not to tear everything up. I'm heavy-handed with a bunch of that stuff. Okay. Oh, there went the spring. All right. You can see that, guys. I don't know if you can. The lighting is really bad. Don't go anywhere, you little. It just keeps wanting to pop out. Spring. And go in. Get 6 and 5 from the back. Oh, double parter here too. Oh, I did it. I turned it around. I feel special now. Ooh. Wow. No wonder I felt all that crunching and stuff. Okay. So, it doesn't look like we have any modifications to the plug. Oh, sorry. I'm not seeing anything up here either. In my little handy dandy light, and yeah, I don't see anything there. Okay, let's take a look at these springs and these pins. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to go back and see which way this one was in and this one was in, so I'll know. But yeah, pin and pin here, pin and pin there. All the bottom are pretty well standard except for this guy. It's a spool with a spool up above, and those are the springs in Bill Bacardi's number 58. Great lock, guys. Lots of fun. Okay, stay legal and have fun, guys.